Good morning to all. Today we will hear for discussing about the grammar topic adjectives, degrees of comparison. This topic is the continuation of 8th topic adjective. Okay. Before moving to the topic, I will recall the previous topic adjective. Okay. Here adjective or describing words that tell us more about persons, animals, places and things, and then types of adjectives. There are 6 types of adjectives. What are they? Adjectives of quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative and then possessive. Here this degrees of comparison comes under the category of adjectives of quality. Okay, here it tells about the kind of nouns. Okay, come to the topic. Look at the picture. Ajay, Vijay and Rajesh. Here we will notice 3 pictures, right? What do you notice in these 3 pictures? Ajay is tall, Vijay is taller than Ajay, Rajesh is the tallest of the 3. Okay, here the word tall, taller and tallest are adjectives because these 3 words are describing about the person, the height of the persons, right? So that these are adjectives. Here see the example. Ajay is tall. Here there is no comparison. Okay, we don't compare Ajay with anyone. Next, taller. Here we compare between the 2 persons. Okay, that's why we use the word taller here. And then third example, we compare more than 2 persons. More than 2 persons. That's why we use the word tallest here. Got it? Next, adjectives can show comparison between not only 2 persons. Okay, we have to compare between 2 or more people, animals and things also. Next, there are 3 degrees of comparison. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree and then superlative degree. Positive degree. Here there is no comparison is made. Look at the example. Veena is young. Next, the green box is large. Here, is there any comparison? No, there is no comparison in these 2 sentences. So, these 2 sentences are the example for positive degree. One more examples for you. Here I kept 3 piece of bangles. Okay, one is orange and blue and then green. Here this green bangle is short. Okay, in this sentence there is no comparison. So this is example for positive degree. Got it? Next, comparative degree. Here there is comparison between 2 persons or things. Look at the example. I am going to compare this green bangle and orange bangle. Green bangle is shorter than orange bangle. Here I compared between 2 things. One is green bangle and next one is orange bangle. Green bangle is shorter than orange bangle. So this examples for comparative degree. Next, superlative degree. Here there is compare more than two persons or things. Got it? This green bangle is the shortest of the three. Totally I kept 3 pieces of bangles, right? So I compare more than 2 things, 2 or more things. Okay, green bangle is the shortest of the 3. So this examples for superlative degree. Got it? Here positive means there is no comparison. Comparative means comparison between 2 persons or things. Next, superlative, when comparison is between more than 2 persons or things. Next, let's see the formation of the comparative and superlative degrees. In most cases, we add ER and EST to the positive degree to form the comparative and superlative degrees. Look at the example. In positive, the word near. In comparative, we just add ER at the end of the positive degree, nearer, and in superlative, we add EST at the end of the positive, EST. Near, nearer, nearest. Okay. In this case, we add ER and EST. Got it? Next, if the positive degree ending in the letter E, we just add R and ST to form comparatives and superlatives. Look at the example. Fine, finer, finest. Got it? Next, if the word ending in consonant plus Y, we change Y into IER and IEST. Okay. See, V is the consonant letter, right? And T also the consonant. So consonant plus Y. Here also consonant plus Y. So we just change the letter Y into IER. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Next, single consonant at the end. Small words, okay. These 2 words are small words and ending with the single consonant. So we just double the consonant. And add ER and EST. Big, bigger, biggest. We just double the consonant. Here the consonant is G, so we just double the consonant GG and we add ER, here EST. Next, we use more and most along with the adjectives to form comparative and superlative. Interesting. Here more interesting. In superlative, most interesting. You must memorize these words, these examples. Okay. Next, some adjectives do not follow any rules. Look, in positive, good. Comparative, better. In superlative, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many or much. Here more, most. Old, older, elder. Here oldest, eldest. So 6th rules also you must memorize for better understanding. Okay, so that's all. This topic is over. Now it's time for a recall. First we will see the definition of adjectives and then examples for 3 degrees of comparison. One is positive, comparative and then superlative. Next, the formation of the comparative and superlative degree. Totally we have 6 rules. Okay, you must memorize these all rules. Thank you.